Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Moringa leaf powder. First, let's talk about harvesting. To begin, choose healthy, vibrant green Moringa leaves, ensuring they are free from any damage or yellowing. The best time to harvest these nutrient-rich leaves is in the early morning when they are most hydrated. Gently strip the leaves from their stems, making sure to discard any parts that look discolored or unhealthy. This initial step is crucial for a high-quality powder. Next, proper washing and drying are essential to preserve the Moringa's goodness. Rinse your harvested leaves thoroughly under cool, clean running water to remove any dirt or impurities. After washing, gently shake off excess water. Then, spread the leaves in a single layer on a clean drying rack or screen in a well-ventilated, shaded area. Avoid direct sunlight, as it can degrade nutrients. Air drying typically takes 3 to 5 days until the leaves are completely crisp. Alternatively, a food dehydrator set to about 115 degrees Fahrenheit works efficiently. Now for the exciting part, transforming your dried leaves into powder. Once the Moringa leaves are completely dry and brittle, it's time to grind them. Use a high-speed blender, food processor, or a spice grinder for this step. For the best results and a smooth consistency, grind the leaves in small batches. After grinding, sift the powder through a fine mesh sieve. This helps remove any larger particles or small stems, ensuring you get a wonderfully fine and uniform Moringa powder. Finally, let's talk about storing and using your homemade Moringa powder. To maintain its freshness and nutritional value, transfer the powder to an airtight container immediately. Store it in a cool, dry, and dark place, away from direct sunlight, heat, and humidity. This prevents nutrient degradation and clumping. When stored correctly, your Moringa powder can remain fresh and potent for up to 2 years. You can easily add 1/2 to 1 teaspoon to smoothies, teas, or sprinkle it over meals for a nutritional boost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.